Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We will learn today is inequality. In the previous video, we have already learned how to solve a equation. Today, we will see how to solve two equations and how to find which is greater. So first case is So from the previous video, we know here the value of x will be, here it is minus and plus. So value of x will be of plus and plus. Here is plus and plus. So value of y will be of minus and minus. So from here we can clearly consider x as greater than y. The second case is, so here the value of x will be minus minus and the value of y will be plus and plus. That y is greater than x here. Then there is third case. So here is minus minus, so value of x will be plus and minus, and value of y will be minus and plus. So from here we can see that here the value of x is plus and minus, and value of y is minus and plus. So we can conclude that here x sometimes must be greater than y and sometimes y must be greater than x. So here this is no relation case. This case has other two part. Here x will be plus minus and y will be plus minus. So from here we can conclude there is no relation. Why? Sometimes x will be greater than y and sometimes y is greater than x. And third, here x equal to minus and plus, y equal to minus and plus. So this value will be less than this value and this value is less than this value. So here two case is possible. So it is no reaction case. So now we can take some examples. First, so here we can find the LCM of 27. So 3 into 9, it is 27. 9 plus 3 will be 12 and it is here. So the value of x will be, for minus and plus, it will be, so the bigger value between two will be put first and then the second one. And here 84, it will be 2 into 42. So 3 into 28. 4 into 21. Then 6 into 14. And lastly 7 into 12. So if we minus 7 from 12, we will get 5. So we will take this one. So the value of y will be, as it is plus and minus here, so it will be minus and plus. So bigger number is 12, put here, and then 7. So we can see it is 9, it is greater than this number and this number, and plus 3 greater than this number but less than this number. So we can't conclude that x is greater than y or y is greater than x. So there is no relation. We will take the second example, this. So here the variable is x. It is plus and minus here, so the value of x will be minus and plus. So firstly, this is 9, 3 into 3, and this is 17 here. So how we can multiply this 3 into 3 into 17 to get 48? If we do 17 into 3, we will get 51. So 51 minus 3, it will be 48. So we will get 51 from 17 into 3, and left 3 will be put here. In the previous example, there is no constant here, but here the constant is 17 with x square. So we have to divide 17 from both. Okay, and then here we get LCM 2 into 6, 3 into 4, and here is 13. So how can we multiply this 3 number or this 3 number to get 32? So 13 into 2, it is 26, and 6. 26 plus 6, we will get 32. So y, the value of y will be, here it is minus and plus, so the value of y will be plus and plus. So 13 into 2, it is 26, and left over 6 will be put here. And as the constant before y square is 13, so we divide this with 13. So 13 into 2 and 17 into 3. So we will get minus 3 plus 3 by 17 and plus 2 plus 6 by 13. It is bigger than this one, minus 3, and this one. And plus 2, it is greater than this one and this one. So we can conclude y here is greater than x. So this is another example. Here first we will get LCM of this number 3 into 3 and this number 2 into 4. Okay, and we will get LCM of this number 21 7 into 3 and 4 2 into 2. So the value of x, as it is plus and plus here, so the value of x will be minus and minus. We get 3 in 3 and 2 and 4. How can we arrange these four numbers to get 18? If we do 4 into 3, we'll get 12, and 3 into 2 will get 6. 12 plus 6 equal to 18. So, and as the constant is 8 here, so divide it by 8. Okay. And then y, value of y will be here plus and plus, so minus and minus. So how we will get 19 here? 3 into 2 into 2, 12 plus 7 will get 19. And here constant is 4, so divided it. So we will get 3 here. So here it is 6 by 8, 12 by 8 and minus 7 by 4. If we compare these, if we multiply, this will be minus 14 by 8. So from here we can see this number is greater than this number and this number. This number is also greater than this number and this number. So we can conclude x is greater than y.